If Microsoft Edge is showing a secure network error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen when a VPN is interfering, when your browser cache or cookies are corrupted, when an extension is causing a conflict, or when your device date and time are not set correctly. The good news is that you can check all of these in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, if you are using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try reloading the page in Microsoft Edge. A VPN can sometimes change your connection route in a way that causes secure connection errors, especially on websites that are sensitive to region or security checks. So pause the VPN, refresh the page, and see if the problem goes away. If Edge starts working normally after that, then the VPN was the cause. If the error is still showing, the next thing to do is clear your browser cookies and cache. To do that in Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure cookies, cached images and files, and any other browsing data you want to remove are selected. Then choose the time range you want to clear, or select All Time if you want a full reset of the browser data. Once everything is selected, click Clear Now. After the process finishes, close and reopen Microsoft Edge, then try visiting the site again. Clearing the cache can remove damaged files that may be causing the secure network error. Now, if that still doesn't fix it, go to the Extensions page in Edge and turn off all extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with websites, block scripts, or modify network behavior without you realizing it. To check this, open the Edge menu, go to Extensions, and then Manage your extensions. From there, toggle off every extension one by one, or disable them all at once if that option is available. After that, reload the page that was giving you the error. If the website starts loading properly, then one of your extensions was likely the problem. You can turn them back on one at a time until you find the one causing the issue. Another very important thing to check is your computer's date and time. If the date or time is incorrect, secure websites may fail to verify properly, and Edge may show a network or certificate-related error. So open your system date and time settings and make sure the time zone, and date are all correct. If needed, turn on automatic date and time so Windows can sync it for you. Then go back to Edge and try the website again. At this point, one of these steps usually resolves the secure network error in Microsoft Edge. Start with the VPN, then clear the cache and cookies, disable extensions, and finally, verify your system date and time. In most cases, that combination is enough to get the browser working normally again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.